Hello, I'm in a 2012 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your gas tank. So from the driver's side, we'll go down here and you should see this lever that will release that safety cover. And as you can see now, we go back. This cover is loose now. So open this up, make sure nothing's bent or broken or debris. But from here, you'll just unscrew. And if you're at a gas pump, just stick your nozzle in, or if the gas can, stick that tip in, and then just fill as needed. And when you're done, screw this back on nice and tight until you hear a click. And make sure you're using the proper type of gas. Where I'm at in the US for these models, I'd probably something like an 87 grade unleaded, but something kind of in the mid-range unleaded is what you want. But when you're done, just close this again, and now it's locked in place. So we would have to pull that lever again to get access. But I hope it's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.